Hello everyone! Let's make creamy corn. Super easy lang with just a few ingredients. Let's begin! Kailangan lang natin ng 1 can na whole corn kernel. Drain natin and i-transfer uli natin doon sa bowl. Then lagyan natin ng about 2 to 3 tablespoon ng mayonnaise. I use kewpie. I-mix nyo lang mabuti, then sa isang pan, mag-init tayo ng butter. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Then add natin ang chopped onion and cook until translucent. Kapag soft na ang onion, ilagay na natin ang heavy cream or you can use all-purpose cream. Lutuin lang natin for few minutes. Then, isama na natin ang corn na merong mayonnaise. Lutuin lang natin for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally po. Then, lagyan na natin ng mozzarella cheese. Mga half cup ang nilagay ko dito. But you can add more if you like. Lutuin natin hanggang ang cheese ay mag-melt. At nilagyan ko parang konting cheese sa ibabaw. Remove from heat. Now it's ready. Best serve while warm. For this recipe po, you can always adjust the all-purpose cream or yung heavy cream na ginamit ko or even yung cheese. So it's up to you how you want your corn. Super creamy. Try nyo na! I can't wait to see your creation. Enjoy! Thanks for watching!